And what was Aya's fastest time? I think Muaz answered this question, and he said
Yes.
40.
Yes, teacher, like
Five,
45 seconds.
yes, seconds. And the question, let me write it
أنا
maybe
معاك.
first. The next question was what is Aya's what was her fastest time in June? I think this was for Tayyim, maybe. Tayyim, I think. It was 41, was her fastest time in June. Yes, June 33. 33 seconds. Now we move to another student to answer the next question. Esther,
Yes.
read the.
Teacher,
Yes, Adam.
you told me
Hmm?
before me finish.
Okay. Okay.
I am
Yes. You have you want
I am answer.
answer question number 3
السلام عليكم.
or question number 4? Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Okay, Adam. Sorry, Esther. Go, Adam, for question number 4.
Okay. Is a GT
Huh?
faster or lower?
Yes. Is she improving? Is she becoming faster or she is getting slower? Look, in January she took 45 seconds, but after that she goes down.
Yes, it's fast.
Yes. So the answer, she is going.
It's fast.
Yes.
The answer is fast.
She
She is
getting.
fast.
She is getting
Faster.
faster. She is getting faster.
Yes.
Thank you, Adam. Esther,
Yes.
question number 5.
What happened to the line on the graph?
Graph. Yes.
Graph.
We have 2 words to use here. Rising if it is going up. Falling if it is going down. Esther, look at the line. In January, it was here. Then it moved here. And then it moved here. Then it moved here. So it is rising or falling. Students, rising means the line is going up.
Okay. I write.
Falling, just tell me before you write, tell me in words, speak. What
No,
happened?
I want to write.
Okay, I will allow you to write, but I need to listen to you first. Can you tell me?
Okay.
Yes, is it falling or rising?
Falling.
Okay, you want to write it? Write.
Yes.
But remember, students, when I allow you to write, it takes time. It takes a lot of time. Anyway, just put that in your mind. It's okay. Thank you. But falling, it's FALLING. It is Falling. Falling means it is going down. Malik,
Yes.
here Rami is training for a long jump. Rami is training for a long jump competition. He wants to jump for a long distance. Okay?
Okay.
Look at his distance and make a line graph. Can you draw the line graph,
Yes.
Malik?
What?
Can you draw a line graph?
A line giraffe?
I will show you what is the answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Can I show him?
Who are you?
Yeah, Asher.
Asser?
Yes.
Well, Asser, I asked Mr. Omar Abu Shadi about the answer of this question because I don't know the answer. And he answered the question for me. Can I show you the answer, please? Okay.
Teacher,
Okay.
what?
Okay, Asser?
Okay.
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 The question here, student says, Rami is training for a long jump. He wants to jump for a long distance. And he was training. He was practicing the jumping in order to jump fast. He practiced jumping on 5 weeks. In week number 1, he jumped 350 centimeters or 3 meters and 50 centimeters. In week 2, he was better. He jumped for 355 centimeters.
Low S.
Teacher, I know.
In week 3, okay, Miles. In week 3, he jumped for 361 centimeters. In week 4, it was better also. He jumped 365 centimeters. But what happened in week number 5? He lost 2 centimeters. He jumped for 363 centimeters only. The question wants us to draw a line graph. Now I will show you the line graph which Mr. Omar draw it for me.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you the answer.
Teacher, the question is what is the longest?
اوعى تقول يا عمر. اوعى تقول يا معاذ.
Yes, Muaz. Before
Yes.
we answer the question, we have to draw the line graph first, right?
Right.
Because if we don't draw the line graph, we will not understand how to answer the question. Okay?
But I know is what is the longest?
You know what is the longest? Okay, thank you for this.
I know too.
Can you see the line graph now, students?
Yes.
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 Teacher is in the grade 6 or grade 1.
Is this Mr. Omar?
Yes, Mr. Omar did it for me because I don't know the answer. He told
Teacher.
me what is the answer.
Ma-
Look, students.
Teacher,
Mr.
my brother
Mass?
Yes,
knows this.
yes,
My brother
Muaz.
knows this.
Your brother knows this? Excellent. Can I speak now?
Yes.
Yes.
Malik, what you are doing on the screen doesn't help me.
Okay.
We have here 2 axes, students. Horizontal and vertical. Horizontal axis and the vertical axis. Okay, students?
Okay.
So how many axes do we have here? 2. What is the name of this axis? Is it vertical or
2.
horizontal?
Vertical.
And what is the name of this axis? Is it horizontal or vertical?
Distance.
Yes. Okay. Here we write the weeks, week number 1 and week number 2 till we reach week number 5. What was happening? In week number 1, Rami jumped for 350 centimeters. So he jumped here. This point, which is Rami reached, it was here. In week number 1, he jumped for this distance. But what happened in week number 2? In week number 2, he jumped 355 meters. It was here. Malik, you are not helping me like this. You are drawing. You are drawing.
I am leaving the mouse.
Okay. And in week number 3, he gets better. He jumped longer. He jumped 360 centimeters. This happened in week number 3. And what happened in week number 4? He jumped 365 centimeters. This happened in week number 4. But the problem in week number 5, he jumped 363 centimeters.
Teacher,
Yes?
is 363. First is
Yes.
first is for number.
What? Yes.
Number 5 is 370. Is 5. No. Number 5.
Number 5, 363, right?
Right.
So,
Teacher,
yes?
no problem for 370. It is easy.
It is easy.
We know 376. Sixty-three يا تايه. 63.
Teacher, this is number 6.
Teacher.
Who is doing this? I think this is Muaz, because I have the names here. The names comes to me. Okay, now.
Teacher is Asir.
Asir? Okay, yes, thank you.
I can erase it.
Now let me ask you this question. Ahmed Atiyah. Ahmed Atiyah.
Yes.
Teacher,
Yes, teacher.
How high did Rami jump in week number 1?
Number 1.
Yes. Don't look at the book, look at the line graphs. How high did he jump in week number 1?
He jumped 350 centimeters.
Excellent.
Mister, me.
Ahmed Mustafa.
Yes.
How high did Rami jump in week number 2? This is week number 2, and this is the distance. How high did he jump in week number 2? Asir,
355 to.
Asir, Asir, Asir. If you like drawing,
Yes.
you can draw in another class. Don't draw in my class. And
Okay.
I will also tell the administration about allowing the students to speak and write all the time. Don't ask me to finish your book because you are wasting my time and your time also. I may not finish your book like this.
Okay, I will not do it again.
Thank you. Thank you, Ahmed Mustafa, 355. Ahmed Mustafa. So
Yes.
Rami is going higher or is he going lower? Is he jumping longer or jumping shorter?
Jumping
Longer.
shorter.
Why shorter? He had more 5 centimeters. In week number 1, he had 350. In week number 2, 355. So he has more 5 centimeters. So he is jumping longer. All right,
Yes.
Ahmed? Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Ziad.
Yes. Mister, I want
How?
to
Ziad.
say.
Ziad.
Mister, I want to say.
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Malik al-Ginidi and Asir. If I asked you to speak all the time, what about Ziad? What about Muhannad? What about Muaz? I have many students in the class, not only you. So please be patient and listen to your friends. Okay.
You said that, teacher.
Ziad, how high did he jump in week number 3?
He jumped 360.
Okay. Is he jumping higher or is he jumping lower? Is he going better or is he going worse? Is he improving or not?
Better.
Better. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anas Abdurrahman,
نعم.
how high did Rami jump in week number 4?
365 centimeter.
365 centimeters. Thank you. Hamza,
Yes.
how high did Rami jump in week number 5? Look, this is week number 5 and this is the distance.
365.
But 365 is here. This is in week number 4. Week number 5 is here. When we go vertically, horizontally, we find the distance is here.
Yes, this is right.
This is not 365. It's less than 365. 365, let me help you. Let me make it clear, more clear for you. I think 365 is here. It matches with week number 4. But week number 5 is here.
Where is
Week number 5 is here.
I don't know what number 5 is here.
And what is this? What is this number? Stop singing, Esther, please. Esther, stop singing, please. Yes, Hamza.
Okay.
What is this number? You can count from here, Hamza. This is 360.
I know.
If you know, please give me the answer.
363.
Thank you. So, students, when we notice this, we notice here that the graph is going. Esther, please stop singing.
Okay.
Okay, it doesn't matter if you want to sing, if you want to even dance, it's okay. It's your time, not my time. So students, we see that the line is going up, but at the end it falls down. It was going up in week number 1, going up in week number 2, going up in number 3, in number 4, but only in week number 5 it goes down. But it didn't go down for long distance, just 2 centimeters. Now we move to the book again and answer the questions. Muhannad, sir. Okay. I hope you are fine. I hope you like allowing you to speak. It's very funny. Muhannad,
What?
read the question number 1, please.
Number 1.
The first question, this one. The question doesn't have number, but I will show you which question I mean. I mean this question.
Rami is
I mean this question.
okay. Does the graph measure time or distance? What happened?
This is only this question.
Okay.
Yes. Does the graph measure time or distance? Okay, take your time to think, Muhannad. Thank you. Tayyib,
What, teacher? Yes, teacher.
does the graph measure time or distance?
Does the graph measure time or distance?
Okay, think about this, Tayyib. Muaz?
Teacher,
Yes, Tayyib?
it is one week, 350 centimeters.
Okay, the graph is telling us about the difference in time or the difference in distance?
In distance?
Yes. Thank you, Tayyib. Muaz? Muaz?
Yes. Yes.
The first question, read it, please.
Okay. Week 2. 300.
This is the first
55.
question. This is the first question. It's here. This one.
Okay. Does the graph measure time or distance? Teacher, is
Yes.
question yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Well,
Teacher.
the question, does the graph measure time or distance? It measures distance. The answer is distance. Thank you, Muaz.
Okay.
Ziad? Ziad?
Teacher.
Ziad?
Yes, teacher.
The next question
What
happens.
happens to the
Lion?
line on the
Giraffe.
graph?
Yes. Look, this is the graph. What happens to the lion?
Biggest.
Yes. Is it rising or falling?
Rising.
And what about the end? What happened in the end?
What happened in the
Yes.
end?
Yes. The graph was rising in week number 1, 2, 3, and 4. But only in week number 5 it was falling.
Five falling.
Thank you. How can we write this, students?
Okay.
We
What,
write-
teacher?
We write the answer like this. rising. It was rising, but it falls at the end. It was rising, but it falls at the end. Thank you, Ziad.
Welcome, teacher.
Can I answer?
Yes, you can answer. Malik, next question.
No. Well, is it?
This one, starting with a competition.
The competition is in week 6. Do you think Rami will jump fall?
Yes. Let me help you to think. Look, the competition is week number 6. It should be here. Do you think Rami is going to jump high or is he going to jump down?
Hi.
High, yes. We can't, students, we know that in week number 5, he lost 2 centimeters only. But we can't judge him like this because in week number 1, 2, 3, 4, he was jumping high. So we think in week number 6, he is going to jump higher. Thank you, Malik. Let me write the answer. He is going to jump far. Now I will end the meeting. I meet you after 5 minutes.